$23 lantern survival kit. Check this out, it's on sale on Amazon. So this is the lantern, and also it will plug in into here and will refract. This is the brightest. Also you can take off the cap and actually use it like a flashlight, whatever. Pretty cool. And obviously rechargeable, or you can use a solar. I don't know how good of a solar that would be. So there's flashing, other flashing, and slow flashing. And you have right here a water filter, straw, stain relief, a prep pad, a whistle. That's hilarious. Tiny little whistle, cheap stuff. Fire striker, I do like that. Let's open it, see how well it strikes. It does have pretty good spark. So at least we know it works. That's nice. Strikers are always good. A couple of band-aids, 5 to be exact, not bad. And that's it. Looks like alcohol, cleaning wipes, rechargeable cord. What was that? Okay, first of all, you could put water in here, it will refract better. Let's go in the dark and look at the lantern, because it is pretty bright. I mean, I feel like the other stuff is just extra. You're pretty much paying $23 for the actual lantern and a flashlight. There you go, you got a flashlight and a water bottle. So it's actually pretty good. The camera overexposing, but if you look at it, it is very bright. And if you take it off from the bottle, and you can use this as a flashlight, it is pretty nice and bright. I do like that. For $23, it's not a bad water bottle. Very unique, that's for sure. Hopefully you can buy them maybe for $12, just a water bottle. Without the kit would have been a better deal, but I do like that lantern water bottle.